OpenAI is releasing a brand new AI tool called SearchGPT, and this is such a clear competitor to Perplexity. So let's take a look. So yeah, super simple UI. Boom, images and search results. Will it be hot? Yeah, very similar to ChatGPT, but more, wow, this is good. The weather report is really good. So, okay, let's read it. We're testing SearchGPT, a temporary prototype of a new AI search feature. I mean, this just screams Perplexity. We're launching with a small group of users for feedback and plan to integrate the experience into ChatGPT. You know, when we click on the link, okay, a new way to search, let's see it. Getting answers on the web can take a lot of effort, often requiring multiple attempts to get relevant results. SearchGPT, this is a different demo. Music festivals in, okay. So as you can see, this is much more, this is like a mix of, I guess, Google, ChatGPT, and Wikipedia. So you obviously have the source with everything, so that prevents hallucinations. And then you can get a detailed report of the links, which, oh my god, this is such a Perplexity ripoff. That's crazy. I mean, let's see their prompt, right? Music festivals, Booth, North Carolina. Let me do the exact same thing in Perplexity. So let's see Perplexity, and dude, the sources, that's such a, so heavily inspired. Oh, actually, let's compare the results as well, alright. Wow, these are very different, seems like. Anyways, what I wanted to show is the sources. Like, look at this. They just took this. I did not expect OpenAI to go after Perplexity. If anything, I expected Google to try to attack them because obviously, you know, Google's domain is search. But wow, Sam Altman, I guess, likes to destroy startups. To be honest, I don't know if you agree with me, but I like ChatGPT user interface more than Perplexity in terms of how like approachable and easy to use it feels, right? Because this feels like there's too much stuff happening. It can be hard to find, you know, like the edit button and stuff like that. ChatGPT is so clean, it's so optimized. Actually, in a moment, I'll try to get inside of it and get access so that we can actually test it and see if SearchGPT is any good. Before we continue though, I have to announce that in the next few days, we're launching the Make Money with AI training inside of our community. And as a bonus, everyone who joins and gets to the second month gets a personal one-on-one call with me. And normally I charge $500 an hour for consulting, but you get it free if you're in the community. And by the way, in the next 5 days, the price is about to double. So make sure to join before the end of the month to lock in 50% off for life. The link is going to be in the description. See you inside. Now let's get back to SearchGPT. You can ask follow-up questions. Yeah, that is to be expected. Seems to be very fast though. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Hopefully they didn't speed up the demo. Because, you know, few months ago we've got a big controversy with Google speeding up the demo for Gemini, which is another search product which, I don't know about you, but in the last 2 months, I kind of stopped using it almost altogether. I know Google's trying to push it into every single product, but it's been more annoying than anything. Anyways, let's see. Designed to give you an answer. I mean, yeah, obviously. SearchGPT will quickly and directly respond to your questions with up-to-date information. The question is how much of this actually goes into the context window, because when you scrape a lot of websites, you can quickly hit, you know, the 128K limit. Anyways, partnering with publishers and creators. Okay, let's see. I mean, I'm a creator, so hopefully I can secure this partnership. Hopefully this is not another OpenAI release where they announce something and then 6 months later it's still not released. Sora. Anyways, is there anything on this site? I guess not. So let's see. SearchGPT, sign into your personal. Oh my god, no way. There is no way they're gonna prevent me because I have ChatGPT Teams. There's actually no way. Okay, let me try to re-log in. Access is limited. If selected, you'll receive an email. I guess I need to create a new OpenAI account. This is crazy. I'm paying for OpenAI Teams, ChatGPT Teams, and I cannot use that account. That's wild. That's actually wild. I literally had to create a new ChatGPT account. So let's try it again. This is, you know, obviously intro screen. As you can see, I have to click everything off. Try it now, blah, blah. Yeah, zero chat history. This is a brand new account. Let's try again. Hopefully this will let me in, but that's crazy. I'm paying more. Not only do I have ChatGPT Plus, but ChatGPT Teams even more expensive, like over 2 times more expensive. So that's insane, man. Okay, let's join the waitlist. You know, man, OpenAI. Really, I cannot use this new tool because they just don't let me. Honestly, if I could, I would be shorting OpenAI right now because literally 2 days ago they posted this tweet. Making sure AI can benefit everyone with building AI that is helpful and safe. We want to share some updates, blah, blah, blah. Like, look at these reactions people are giving. Shut up. LMAO. Llama 405B is getting open source today. Don't have anything else to announce. Also, Llama 3.1, 8 billion is completely cracked, fine-tuned. If you want me to make a video how to fine-tune Llama 3.1, comment below and I'll do that, because OpenAI stuff is like, it's just disappointing compared to what Meta and Anthropic are doing. Yeah, I mean, honestly, Zuckerberg is on an insane comeback. It's insane. But yeah, if you want a video on how to fine-tune Llama 3.1, all the 3 different versions, 8 billion, 70 billion, and 405 billion, then comment below. Also, I think tomorrow I might be releasing a video on how to build AI agents with Llama 3.1. So stay tuned to that. Definitely more open source content to come. But yeah, look at this. Fine-tuned 8 billion model destroys GPT-4o mini, which is significantly bigger than 8 billion. This is at least like 70 to 100 billion parameter level, right? Obviously GPT-4o, not mini, is like 1.8 trillion. But yeah, the fact that 8 billion model is destroying 10 times bigger model, I mean, insane what Meta is doing. And what's even crazier that if you listen to the Zuck interview, which I might include that in tomorrow's upload, he's mentioning that they're already training Llama 4 and that they're planning to release it before the end of the year. Guys, we might be getting Llama 4 sooner than GPT-5. Think about that. That would be the greatest fall from grace in the history of companies. I mean, OpenAI a year ago, when they released GPT-4, they were the kings. They were like a year ahead of everybody, 18 months ahead of everybody. Now, they're just being caught up. Like now, as everybody's catching up, there is no like advantage they have. Basically, look at this chart, right? This is the chart of open source models, the progress they're making compared to closed models. Closed models, look at this GPT-4. This is a year ago, April 2023. I mean, yeah, year and 3 months ago. There was nothing even close. Llama 65B, this is Llama 1, by the way, was a lot lower than GPT-4. And now look at this. Llama 3.145B, almost as good as Sonnet, like 3.5. It's only a matter of time before, Llama 4 is the best. It's kind of crazy that we're living in a time where this is possible. Almost the best language model in the world is about to be open source. And guys, this is crazy, but if Llama 4 releases before GPT-5, I mean, what is OpenAI doing? I don't know. But yeah, look, let's forget OpenAI for a second. Llama 3.1, let's focus on that, building open source agents and also unrestricted models. The Dolphin variant is coming soon. So if you want me to make videos on all of that, comment below, tell me which one you want to see first and I'll focus on that. Hopefully, you're at least excited about the Llama stuff because SearchGPT is insane. You're literally paying OpenAI. Why am I even paying OpenAI? That's a good question. Why am I paying OpenAI?